I asked. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Good afternoon, everyone. So, previous class we have completed a test on workability. Okay, na? Yes or no? Test on workability where VB test, compaction factor test, all those things we have completed. Try to just recall that one. So, today in this class we will start with segregation and bleeding. Whether my voice is clear and the screen is clear for everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. Okay, now. Now, before going to this theory portion, I wanted to show you some diagrams. Then it will be very, very clear for you. Okay, na? Just go to this diagram. How this concrete is appearing, whether it is uniformly mixed and placed or whether it is somehow damaged type of concrete. Can you see? Can you see?
Non-uniform type, sir.
Non-uniform, because when you place the concrete, no, when you place the concrete, aggregates have been separated and the remaining cement water mix has been separated. Do you agree? This type of separation of particles, aggregates or heavier materials which are going downward, water, cement and other things which are going upward, means what, in a given place. So this type of separation is called as what? Can you tell me? Is called as, can anyone tell me?
Segregation.
It is called as
Segregation.
segregation. Is that okay for everyone? What do you mean by segregation? Everyone, please,
Yes, sir.
please give response. Very important. Okay, na? So segregation is separation of material which is generally not properly mixing of concrete ingredients. Ingredients. Okay, ingredients. Can you see this diagram clearly? Is it visible? Is it visible? Is it visible now? So here what has happened? Concrete is not at all compacted correctly. So during not compaction also, material will separate. During material will separate. So can you see this type of segregation is called as honeycombing. Honey, ಮಧುಮಕ್ಕಿ, honeycombing. ಜೇನ್ ಹುಳ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗ ಜೇನ್ ಗುಡ್ಗತೆ ಕಾಣದೈತಿಲ್ರಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಿ? ಹಾ, ಜೇನ್ ಗೂಡು ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ. So this type of thing is called as honeycombing. मधुमक्खी का छत जो रहता है ना, ऐसे दिख रहा है ना. So this is also one type of segregation. Now can you see this is bigger one? What is happened? Honeycombing. Lot of honeycombing is happening. One side cement paste, another side aggregate. So this is also called as segregation. Okay na? So can you see this diagram? Can you see this one clearly? Cement mortar is separated and aggregates have been separated. This is also a segregation. Okay na? Can you see this bigger picture? What has happened? What has happened here? See, the aggregates which are heavier are going downward, water and cement which are lighter which are going upward. So this is called as a segregation. While going upward, the direction is upward, water is going upward. No, but aggregates will come. So aggregate, aggregates bottom surface is there. No, it will start accumulating water. It will start accumulating water. So this is also called as bleeding. Water accumulation beneath the aggregates is also called as bleeding. On the surface, if it is only water is accumulating, that is also called as bleeding. On the surface, water plus cement is there. Water plus cement. So that cream of cement is called as lesions. That is called as lesions. Can you see the downward arrow? Aggregates are going down. Water is going up because lighter particle move above, move in upward direction. Okay, na? Can you see this diagram? Schematic diagram. See, I have made all these things for your better understanding. Is that okay? Everyone is happy with this type of diagrammatic class? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, I need an answer from everyone. Only reading theory will be a little bit difficult. Okay, so I have mixed this type. So what is this rectangles? These are called as water because they are going top. So here these are in between density, maybe cement, maybe sand, maybe cement, maybe sand. What are these bottom settled particles or what?
Aggregate.
Or what? Aggregate. This is called as segregation. See, segregation and bleeding are happening at the same time, because segregation in general, separation of materials, bleeding is only accumulation of water. So one to both are interlinked. So here this is called as non-uniform distribution. Non-uniform distribution. Can you see in this diagram? This is properly mixed. Correct? Aggregates are there everywhere. Cement, water, sand is there everywhere. But in this direction, what is happening? Aggregates are concentrated at the bottom. Cement and water is concentrated at the top. So this top portion of water is called as bleeding, and cement plus water in the top portion is called as the lesions. Only aggregates separate, water, cement separate. This phenomena we call it as segregation. This is called as segregation. Can you see this picture? What is happening here? Suppose there is a RCC, means what? There is a reinforcement bar. This gray line is what? Bar. So what is happening when the aggregate is settling down? Water is having tendency to go above direction. Water is having tendency to go above direction. So during that motion, small water molecules will start accumulating beneath the aggregate. Correct or not? Can you see this one? Three small triangular portion. What are these? These are water accumulated aggregates. Correct or not? So beneath the bar also, all these are water accumulation. So here this is called as water accumulation. This is called as internal bleeding. This is called as internal bleeding. Can you see the gray bar, and beneath that sharp triangular mark is there? This is nothing but water accumulation beneath the bar. Water is not accumulating on the top. Why? If it is coming on the top, it will go to the top, full top. So this full top is called as bleeding water, and this is called as external bleeding. This is called as external bleeding. Okay, water is coming to the top. Is that okay for everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. You see, bigger diagram. So aggregates are there, water is accumulated. So this is called as bleed water or internal bleed. This will happen only in fresh concrete. So bleeding of water is at the top surface, Okay, na? So when it comes to the top surface water, what will happen? Evaporation. When water will evaporate, so water cement ratio or water content in hydration will reduces. So what will come? Cracks will come. Cracks will come. So what is this thin blue line? Is it visible? Thin blue line is there, no? Thin blue line. These are called as capillary water. These are called as capillary flow of water, such that it is forming a channel of water. So internal bleed, external bleed, evaporation, loss of water. So bleed water is equal to evaporation. Okay, now next, in this one, same thing. Segregation is separation of material. Bleeding is, what is this? Accumulation of water on the surface. This is a floor. कोई आके अपना घर के कंक्रीटिंग किया है, और कंक्रीटिंग जो फ्लोर है या फिर स्लैब है, क्या हो रहा है? ऊपर आके पानी जमा हो रहा है. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ನೀರು ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So this we call it as bleeding. Can you see? This is a very uniform mixture. This is not a uniform mixture. So particles have been separated here. Okay, na? Okay. So can you see this bigger diagram? How actually cut section of concrete. Here aggregates are there everywhere. Cement paste is also everywhere. Here slightly something has happened. What has happened? They have used lightweight aggregate. So lightweight aggregates have a tendency to float. So that is why they are coming at the top. So what is this is called as segregation due to lightweight aggregate. This is called as lightweight aggregate. Cement paste is deposited at the bottom. Lightweight aggregates are coming at the top. This is also separation. Okay, na? So can you see this one? This is segregation diagram. Aggregate, cement paste is separating. Accumulation of water or cement water is called as bleeding. Okay, this is another diagram. Uniform distribution, non-uniform distribution. Okay, na? What is this? During improper mixing, Here only we can see segregation. See here at the central portion only aggregates are there. At the peripheral region you have cement, water, sand. You have cement, water, sand. This is called as segregation. This is called as accumulation of water on the surface is called as bleeding or external bleeding. This is called as segregation. Okay, na? So many diagrams are there. Okay, what is this? Can you tell me? This is called as bleeding. Bleeding. It's called as bleeding. Now, is that okay for everyone? What is segregation and what is bleeding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very good. Now we can go and discuss theory portion. No problem. No. Okay, na? We can easily discuss now. You have understood the diagram or concept, so we can easily go. Segregation is the separation of materials. Is separation of materials. It is a not a homogeneous. It is a not a homogeneous. Good concrete, homogeneous mixture. Bad concrete, non-homogeneous mixture, which will lead to segregation. Okay, na? So here what is happening? Coarse aggregate and other ingredients are getting separated. Segregation may be so many types. So many types. What is mean by that one? Coarse aggregates are separated. That is one type of segregation. Second segregation is matrix. Matrix means cement paste is separated. That is also segregation. Third is what? Water is separating. That is also segregation. Water separation, in another words, we call it as bleeding. In other words, we call it as bleeding. Conditions, how to avoid segregation. First thing, proper mixing. Very good, very important. Proper mixing, proper selection, proper grading, selection of good size aggregates, surface structure aggregates, correct water content, proper mixing. These are the conditions to avoid segregation. So there is correct mixing and correct aggregate will give this type of concrete. What is the known as this one? Cohesive and fatty. Cohesive and fatty मतलब क्या है? Perfect shape वाला concrete, perfect nature का concrete. Okay ना? So now segregation can be avoided by proper mixing, proper handling, proper transporting, placing, compacting. In all stage, if you follow the correct procedure, segregation can be avoided. Okay na? The conditions which cause segregation, diagram only you can tell. Bad mix, insufficient mix, excess water. Okay, excess water. If you are dropping the concrete from a height, then obviously aggregates will fall separately. Okay na? If the mixer itself is very, very bad during the mixing operation, if mixer itself is a bad, okay na? If you are transporting the concrete using conveyor belt, that time also segregation will take place. If you are transporting the aggregate by wheelbarrow or long distance dumper or skip and hoist, all these equipment are transportation of concrete equipment. If you are using this, chances of segregation will be there. What are the causes? Bad mixer, dropping from height, excess water, and conveying the concrete using belt wheelbarrow. Okay na? If you are vibrating for a long time, then also it will take place. If your compaction is not proper, then also segregation will take place. Okay, too much finishing by hitting with the float, that time also segregation will take place. These are some of the causes. What is bleeding? Bleeding is referred as what? Can anyone tell me?
Accumulation of the water.
It is called as separation of water, accumulating of water at the top. Okay, now why this is happening? Because water density is less, aggregate densities are more, so aggregates will go down, water will generally go up. So that is why water, it is coming to the top. So this time bleeding will happen. This is called as bleeding. Okay, now? So generally where it is predominant, generally when that mix of concrete is highly wet, means when it is very, very high content of water is there, then bleeding will definitely take place. Or bad mixing or insufficient mixing. Generally area members are what? Big area like slab, like big area like floor, like road work. So all those have larger exposing area. So there, this type of bleeding will definitely come. What is lesions? Lesions is what? The top cream of cement paste water. This top cement paste water is called as what? Lesions. Is called as lesions. So generally, if you hit with the float continuously, that time also this lesions will appear. So using trowel and floats, you generally do the finishing work. No, finishing work, too much finishing, you will get lesions. Too much finishing, you will get lesions. What is the bad effect? What is the bad effect? You can see, no, only cement and water is there. Whether it is very good in surface resistance, can anyone tell me? If only cement and water is only there, no aggregate, then whether it is good in resisting the surface resistance?
No, sir, it will be bad.
Wear and tear is more. Wear and tear is more. If anyone walking with woodland shoes, then cement will come down. Okay, cement will come up. Yes or no? Woodland shoes or grip shoes, something like that. If hard shoes or tires, if they are going on this one, obviously wear and tear will take place. So this is one of the bad effect. Second effect, what you can say, if suddenly evaporation taking place, what will happen? All the water will come up and all the water is evaporated. So for hydration of cement, less water is available. So that time you can easily see cracks. You can easily see cracks. So poor bonding between aggregate, poor wear and tear, loss of water, all these lead to cracks. All these lead to crack, loss in strength, rupture of concrete. So what will happen? Poor wear and tear, dust will form, shrinkage, more shrinkage will take place, more shrinkage. It will be a plane of weakness. Okay, there is continuous bleeding happening means what will happen? It forms one channel. You have seen one diagram, no? Where like this water is there, water is deposited on top, like this channels of water is forming. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If more water is evaporated, bigger channels will form because it will form what? Moisture gradient setup. मतलब इधर सक्शन जैसा एक प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, इधर से पानी जाएगा, अंदर से पानी खींचा जाएगा. ಈ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೀರು ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎವಾಪರೇಷನ್ಗೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೀರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್. ಲೇಟರ್ ಆನ್ this will lead to greater permeability, which will lead to chemical attack. So bleeding water will accumulate below the aggregate. What is this below the aggregate? We have seen, no, while going upward, bigger aggregates will have water particles like this. Have you seen or not? Yes or no? Yes.
Sir, internal
Yes,
bleeding.
sir.
Very good. It is called as internal bleeding. This is called as channel flow. This is called as internal bleeding. So this will also form. So what is happening here? More water, less cement. More water, less cement means bonding is lost. Okay, no? So these are some of the problems. Can you see the bleeding water? We have seen bigger. How to control the bleeding? How to control this? By proper revibrating. By doing finishing at the later stage. Initially, you should not do finishing. By complete mixing. By using pozzolanic material. By using air entraining admixture. Okay, na? By using fine cement. Is that okay? How to control bleeding? Yes or no? Yes. Huh? Okay. How to test how much bleeding of water is taking place? Simple, no? You can have one big container. Whatever water is accumulated on the surface, you can collect it using small, what is that? Using in chemistry lab, what is that? It is called as pipette, burette. What is that? You use that one to collect water. What is that?
Pipette, sir.
Pipette. Using that pipette, continuously you take out the water, note down the time of interval. So at this time, this much water is taken. At this time, this much water. So water, whichever you have taken using this pipette, it is collected in jar, measuring jar. It is collected in measuring jar. So at 1 hour, you have what? At 1 hour, you have so much of water collected. So much of water collected. This is called as bleeding water. This is called as bleeding water, and divided by total quantity of water in sample of concrete. So this water is when you have started mixing, no? Mixing of concrete. That time you have put so much of water. So that water is there in the denominator. In the above, you have total quantity of bleed water, okay, which you have collected using pipette and a jar. So this divided by this into 100 will give bleeding water percentage. Understood this point? Bleeding water percentage is equal to total quantity of bleed water divided by quantity of initial water mixed. All of you have understood? Everyone, I need answer
Yes, sir.
or response from
Sir.
everyone.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ಗೌಡ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿಪ್ಪ. ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ಗೌಡ್ರ, ಮನೋಜ್ ಗೌಡ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸರ. ಸುಮ್ ಕುಂತ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಲ್ರಿ. ओके. नमो सरकार यार, नमो सरकार कौन है ये?
सर नमोकार सर।
हाँ? नमो सरकार कौन है ये?
नमोकार सर।
नमोकांत, वो कहाँ रहता है? नमो सरकार, नमस्कार, किधर है यार? आवाज ही नहीं है तुम्हारा. देखो ऑन करके चला गया वो. मुर्गेश तेग्गी ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ದರ್ಶನ್
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಂಗೆ?
ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಅಬ್ಬಾ ನಾ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸೆಗ್ರಿಗೇಷನ್ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್.
ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಬೇಡ. ನೀ ಸುಳ್ಳ ಏನಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಂತೆ ನೋಡು. ನಿಹಲ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನವ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಸುಳ್ಳ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತ. ಅಬೂಬಕರ್ ಓಕೆ. Is that okay? Understood? Segregation and bleeding?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. We will go into the next topic, that is manufacturing of concrete. There are so many steps. Production of concrete is a big step. One big question will come, so you need to explain all the steps in brief, not in full detail, because it is full this one only. Process of manufacturing of concrete. ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಮಾನು ಬಂದು ಬೀಳ್ತಾವ. ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ, ನೀರ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಲೇಬರ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು? ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. जो स्टार्टिंग से लेके मिक्सिंग, बैचिंग, कॉम्पैक्टिंग, प्लेसिंग, all the process are called as manufacturing of concrete. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ कंक्रीट. नाउ आप लोग एक बात बताओ मुझे, एक बात बच्चों, अच्छा कंक्रीट, बुरा कंक्रीट, मटेरियल सेम है क्या, मटेरियल अलग है इसमें?
अलग मटेरियल सेम.
जो भी तुम कंक्रीट बना रहे ना, अच्छा बिल्डिंग बनाने से भी तुम्हारा मटेरियल वही रहेगा, खराब काम करने से भी तुम्हारा मटेरियल वही रहेगा. Difference is in your process, in your manufacturing process. Understood this point, everyone? Please tell yes or no.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು, ಚಲೋ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ಅದ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅದ ಇರ್ತದ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆರ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. It depends upon the manufacturing process, not on the material. Material also will play a part, that is okay. But after selection of materials, there is only manufacturing. There is only manufacturing. Okay, na? So now, what are the various stages? Batching, mixing, transporting, placing, compacting, curing, finishing. These are what? Continuous sequence. These are called as sequence. Batching मतलब क्या है? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by batching? Batching is weighing the material. ಇದಕ್ಕ ಈ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ 1 ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟು, 10 ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟು, अर्धा क्यूबिक मीटर सैंड, इस तरह ये सेपरेट मारते हैं ना मटेरियल, जो हम लोग उसको सेपरेट करते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं बैचिंग. बैचिंग. मिक्सिंग तो मालूम है, ट्रांसपोर्टिंग मालूम है, प्लेसिंग सभी आगे का तो मालूम है, नॉट नेसेसरी टू एक्सप्लेन. बैचिंग इज अ प्रोसेस. बैचिंग इज अ प्रोसेस. इट इज नथिंग बट measurement of materials. In that you have two categories. How you can batch? Volume batching, weigh batching. Now you tell me which is good. Which is good? No. Weigh batching is very important. Volume batching may give errors or wrong quantities. Why? If suddenly water is added in sand, what will happen? If you take volume, if you put water, what will happen? You have done experiment, no, in BMT lab.
Bulking takes place.
Bulking. Nakshatra ma'am, what experiment you have done in this one? Nakshatra madam?
Yes, sir.
वॉल्यूम बैचिंग करेक्ट है या वेव बैचिंग करेक्ट है एक्यूरेट के लिए?
Wave batching.
वॉल्यूम बैचिंग में क्या प्रॉब्लम होगा? Volume batching is done only for less important work. Wave batching is done for general works. What is happening in volume batching? जब आप कोई भी सैंड लेते हो, उसमें अगर मॉइस्चर आ गया तो ऑब्वियसली इसका क्वांटिटी बड़ा होके दिखेगा. ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ क्वांटिटी ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, बट एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी कड़िमे इರುತ್ತೆ. एक्चुअल में वो कम रहता है, मगर पानी मिक्स होने से वो बड़ा होके दिखता है. So that is the problem with volume batching. We call it as bulking, inaccurate. Wave batching is always correct. Whatever you do, if any moisture content is there in aggregate, if already moisture is present, then you need to add less water. If very dry aggregates are there, then you need to add more water. I will repeat once again. अगर जो भी तुम लोग मिक्स कर रहे हैं ना, सीमेंट, सैंड, aggregate, पानी, ये चारों तो बेसिक है, and you have calculated according to your design, mix design, okay ना? And if aggregate is already containing some water, sand or aggregates are already containing some water, तो आपको जो कैलकुलेटेड किया हुआ क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर है उसको ज्यादा करके डालना है या उतना ही रखना है या कम करके डालना है. इफ योर aggregate is having water or sand is already having moisture, which one you should? Yes, you are correct. Tell me correct you are doing. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿ
you have to deduct that moisture which is present in sand, and you have to reduce the water which you are adding during mixing. Okay na? So that is the important. Slowly we will do this diagram. Slowly first ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋಣ. ಏನಂತೀರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕ? ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಇದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹೇಳ್ರಿಪ್ಪ?
ಸರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಒಬ್ಬವ್ರಿಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕಿದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಥಿಯರಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು सब लोग बोलना है. नक्षत्र मैडम, लक्ष्मी मैडम, श्रुति मैडम, प्रज्वल.
यस सर.
श्रुति नायक, डायग्राम श्रुति नायक,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अलर्ट अलर्ट रहने का। मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ?
So I didn't understand. You were asking in Kannada, that's why.
No. In all three languages, I am asking. Okay.
Sorry.
In the next 1 or 2 class, I will learn Goa language also. Don't worry.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay, don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay. So I was
Yes.
asking, first we will discuss about some drawings. Later on, we slowly go into theory portion. Batching. First, what do you mean by batching? Batching is nothing but measuring the required material. Measuring the required material. So this is volume batching, correct? Yes or no? Everyone, right side, volume batching. No, this is called as a pharma. ಹಿಂದಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರಪ್ಪ लोकल लैंग्वेज ದಾಗ? Can anyone tell me? इंग्लिश में तो फार्मा बोलते हैं, ಕನ್ನಡದೊಳಗ ಬುಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತಾರ, मेजरिंग ಬುಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತಾರ. ಹಿಂದಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ठीक है. So depending upon some units they have generally made. So 1 this pharma of cement, 2 pharma of sand, 4 pharma of aggregate. How much? 1:2:4, correct? Yes or no? Please give response. Please give response.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
My voice is clear for everyone? My voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear na? And
Yes, sir.
screen is also clear now. So this type of measuring the material before mixing is called as volume batching. Is called as volume batching, which is not accurate. Only for less important works you can do, but all building works are generally done by this. When you go to the bigger projects, what is this? This is called as mixing
batching.
plant or wave batching. Wave batching, what they are doing? So they have different buckets or hoppers. These are called as hoppers. In one they have sand, in one they have aggregate, in one they have bigger aggregates. Through this cement will come, through this water will come, through somewhere admixture will come. All will be measured correctly using some electronic machine. Correct way is done, correct weightage is taken. Whether this is a water tank, yes. This is a cement inlet, this is bigger aggregate, smaller aggregate, sand. Okay na? So all this is weighed correctly and they will going to mix later. This is called as weigh batching. Okay na? What is this? This is called as the pharma, mixing pharma, or it is called as gauge box. This is used in volume batching. This is used to level the surface. Means what? ऊपर ऐसे आता है ना, वो नहीं आना है. Okay, ಈ ತರ ಮೇಲ್ ಬಂದು ಬೀಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so this is one typical gauge box or weighing box. Generally on this they are going to write it the quantity. Okay, this much is nothing but 1 cubic meter or 0.5 cubic meter capacity or 2 cubic meter capacity or 1 cement bag capacity. Like that they are going to write it. 1 bag of cement means what? So if you put 1 bag of cement, it will completely fill. No extra, no less. So complete fill, 100% fill. So that is called as 1 cement bag capacity. And if that is there, then 2 times aggregates will be put, 4 times bigger aggregates will be put. Like that they are going to do. Now what is this? This is a typical batching plant, weigh batching plant. See here, this is weigh mixing or weigh batching is done. Batching, mixing are 2 components or 2 separate process. First understand, weighing or batching are one is separate. Here mixing is taking place. This is called as mixing machine. Here these are called as weighing machine. Here also weighing machine is there. From there aggregates are coming. From here cement is coming, sand is coming. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Sure.
सबको समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ?
Yeah, sure.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
This is
Sir.
called as, पूरा ये जो सेटअप है ना, इसको बैचिंग प्लांट बोलते हैं. इसको पूरा सेटअप को बैचिंग प्लांट बोलते हैं। इसमें वे मिक्सर्स भी रहता है, ये भी वे मिक्सर ही है, अलग अलग रखा है क्योंकि इधर सीमेंट के लेके आते हैं, इधर से एग्रीगेट्स को लेके आते हैं, ये भी वे करके इसको इधर लेके आ रहे हैं। कहां से लेके आ रहे हैं? ये जो है ना पाइप, इससे लेके आ रहे हैं, ये जो है ना पाइप्स, इससे ये लेके आ रहा है। इधर क्या हो रहा है? मिक्स हो रहा है, इसको बोलते हैं मिक्सर, इसको बोलते हैं मिक्सर। एक बार मिक्स हो गया, इधर नीचे क्या आएगा? ये गाड़ी जो है ना, ये आके इधर खड़ा होगा, इधर से वो कंक्रीट मिक्स होने के बाद इसके अंदर, गाड़ी के अंदर डाल देगा वो, तो वो लेके साइड को चला जाएगा। दिस इज एन अनदर कंपोनेंट। व्हाट इज दिस? मुझे लगता है कि ऐसे अलग अलग डायग्राम्स दिखाने से थोड़ा आपको बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगा। डू यू एग्री विद दिस पॉइंट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सब लोग बाबा, सब लोग, एक ही बच्चों को नहीं, सभी स्टूडेंट्स बोलना है। दिस इज एन वे बैचिंग। इन वे बैचिंग also you have so many types: small, medium, big. Bigger projects, big batching plant; smaller products, small batching plants. Okay, batching here it is done in way batching. It is called as way batching. Okay ना? This is called as control room. This is called as control room. इधर एक आदमी रहेगा, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ, ಓಕೆ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಚಟ್ನಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ವಡಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, so this is called as batching plant with control room. This is called as batching plant with control room. This is very rough, random. What is this? This is a pan. Using pan they are doing. This is what somewhat using gauge box they are doing. Okay na, gauge box they are doing. What is this? Semi-automatic batching plant. What is this? Can anyone tell me?
Semi-automatic batching plant.
Semi-automatic. In the previous case, it is fully automatic because it's a bigger project. Only computer operator will enter the data. Everything is computer operated and everything is automatically taken. But here what is happening? Semi-automatic. Okay na? Here materials will be put down like this. Materials will be put down. The operator will come, check the data. So that much quantity is here, that much quantity is here. So these things will taken to this rotating drum. This rotating drum here, mixing blades are there. So it will do mixing. It will do mixing. इसको कोई देखा है क्या? ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Semi-automatic. This is called as semi-automatic. Generally, it is done in America, USA, New York. All are same only, no problem. This is also a semi-automatic, same type of one side aggregate, another side smaller aggregate, sand. So depending upon the weight, the requirement, the weight is weighed and it is fed to this mixer like this. It is fed to this mixer. It has got wheels also, so it can be transported from one side to another side. What is this? Water measuring cylinder, no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Just see,
Yes, sir.
concrete subject is all imagination only. You have to think that you are at site, so you are watching all these things. Then only these things will go in your mind and it will be interesting. If you read it as a subject to pass the exam, it will be very boring. You think as you are a civil engineer. आप लोग साइट में गया है, so इधर आपको कंक्रीट करने के लिए बोला है, ठीक है? So this is your aggregates sand. So this will be your water. This will be your water. Can anyone tell me what should be this? Just use your imagination. What is this blue color drum? What it is inside having? Can anyone just guess? I also don't know. You are engineers, no? Just give me the name. What you want to put inside there? I will give one big Cadbury chocolate when they come to college.
Sand and cement.
No. Voice is not clear.
Admixture, sir.
Very good, very good. It is the admixture. I told use the imagination. Use the imagination. Who told this sentence?
So Shruti.
Yes, one chocolate. You write it down. When college opens, you ask me. I will take one chocolate.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
okay, no problem. Okay. This is another diagram. This is not semi-automatic. It is very, very manually operated. Correct? Still smaller.
Yes, sir.
Still smaller. This is called as hopper. Okay, this is called as hopper. Already weighed materials will come and placed here. already weighed material. This is already in the feeding portion. Before feeding, how that position will be there? This will be generally coming down, correct? This is
Yes, sir.
lowered. This is using lowered. This is the feeding position. This is the rotating drum. This is hopper, feeding hopper. Already it is feeding the materials. Okay, na? Second diagram. Now it is in which position? First stage, where you put the aggregates, you put the sand, you put the cement, and you put the what? No. Water here is added or here added? Can anyone tell me?
Drum, sir.
Very intelligent person. What is your name?
Guru Prasad, sir.
ನಿಂಗೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ, ನಡೀತೈತಿ?
It's okay, sir.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರ್ತದೋ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂದಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ?
बरते सर कन्नड़.
कन्नड़ बरतेतला, हिंदी में भी बोलता हूँ. तुमको एक अवलक्की देगा चॉकलेट नहीं, क्योंकि तुम अलग है ना.
Okay, sir.
How this is mixed before? One important point. It is there in theory, but I will explain here. सब कुछ एक ही बार डालता है नहीं ना, पहले ऐसे ओपन रहता है ना. इसमें क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट एट द बॉटम, अगर 5 क्यूबिक मीटर aggregate, okay, 3 cubic meter sand, 1 bag cement, okay, and 200 liters water, and some 50 ml admixture is there. Then normal procedure I will tell. Normal procedure. First they will do whatever aggregates are there, no, half of the aggregates they will put here first. उसके ऊपर again half of the sand they will put, okay ना. उसके ऊपर full cement they will put. उसके ऊपर remaining half of the sand. उसके ऊपर remaining, where is that? Remaining half of the aggregate. Like that they are going to distribute it. Why? If you put cement on the top, what will happen?
Proper mixture, sir.
हंगला सीमेंट ऊपर डालने से हवा को उड़ के जा सकता है ना. करेक्ट है?
हाँ, sir, it will flow away.
That is not a correct one. What he told, no, proper mixing as well as wastage reducing as well as हवा के लिए उड़ने का, तीनों correct answer है, no problem. So once it is mixed like this, it will be made this way. So in this position it will come. Yes or no? In this position it will come. During this one only you add water and you add admixture. Generally admixture is not added separately. You mix with water and you are adding the admixture water separately. Okay na? Once that drum is what is that, everything is put inside, so drum will be in this position or it will be taken to vertical position?
Vertical.
Yes
Vertical
or no? It is called as a tilting drum. These type of mixers are called as a tilting drum. Okay na? So here these will take in vertical direction. Once that is mixing is done, so that drum will come in this direction. So in opposite to this direction, this will discharge that one. Are you understanding this point? This will discharge. Everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
This is called as hopper is feeding the mixer. Hopper is feeding the mixer. Mixer in this case, drum mixer. And drum mixer is a tilting type and it is also tilting. Some things are there. They are called as non-tilting. Whether it is a tilting drum mixer or non-tilting drum mixer? Can you see? Tilting
drum.
Because using this handle, you can move the drum in either direction. You can come here or it can go there. During mixing, the opening of this one will be open to the sky. Okay. So whether this is tilting or non-tilting, you should tell me.
Non-tilting.
Non-tilting, sir.
Very good. It is called as a non-tilting because the drum will be in stationary direction. Only hopper position is changed. To take, to load, to feed, to unload. The hopper position is changed. But mixer is non-tilting or drum is non-tilting. Only you will get at the bottom or somewhere. I don't know because in the diagram they are not shown, but you understand it is a non-tilting drum. Okay na? This is tilting drum mixer. Okay na? And this is also same thing, tilting drum mixer. These are used to mix the machine. That is the second process. What process I am explaining here? Second process. First process is batching. That is called as batching. Weigh batching, volume batching. Now again we are coming to batching only. What type of batching is this one?
Wave batching.
Weigh batching, here cement, here sand, here small aggregates, here big aggregates. All are accurately weighed using this electronic machines are there. Here small electronic digital machines are there. All are weighed, and that much quantity only fed to this pipe. That much quantity only is fed to this pipe. From this it will go to mixer. It will go to mixer. Can you see this one? Another weighing plant, weighing machine. So accurately it will measure that much only, it will mix and deliver. It will mix and deliver. Okay na? Now another batching plant or small batching plant. Yes or no? Small. All the 4 compartments are there. 4 compartments are there for 4 different material, and it is exactly weighing and mixing here, and where it is discharged to this hopper. Okay na? And this is also another same thing. Okay, this is also actual site photo. Can you understand now how actually these weighing machines are there? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
This is called as weighing process. Weighing process before mixing. Okay na? So this is there. What is this? What is this?
Volume.
Gauging, gauge box, pharma box, volume batching. It's called as volume batching. Okay na? Can you see the actual mixing? What type of batching they are doing?
Volume
Or
batching.
very good. They are doing volume batching. And can you see what type of drum it is?
Tilting drum.
Tilting drum. Okay na? It's called as mixing. What is this? Typical batching plant. Big diagram, big project, big everything, big is there. No, they're generally used. This is that control room. I was telling, no, control room. These are small weighing machines. These are the storage or cement silos where cement is stored. So using conveyor belt, all the raw materials are there. This portion is called as batching. Sorry, what it is called as? This. Can anyone tell me what is happening there inside that one? Mixing. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Here it is called as mixing. Okay. Another typical. This is a typical batching plant. Yes or no? You tell me. Yes. So here what is this? Weighing machines. Correct? Weighing machines, batching plant. Weighing machines, batching plant. And what are these? Lakshmi, what are these? Anushri, what are these? Darshan, what are these? Prajwal,
Cement
what are
silos,
these?
sir.
Cement silo.
Storage of cement,
Cement
sir.
silos. Very good. Cement silo, like this it is going. Aggregates, everything, it is going. Okay, na? Where is water? This is the water tank, correct na? This is called as water. From there, using compressor, the water is also going. So this is called as a mixer. It's called as concrete mixer. And the vehicle will come here, mixed concrete will be taken. Okay na? Can you see this diagram? It is very diagrammatically explained. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Aggregates will taken using conveyor belt, and cement, all the things will be mixed here. This is a control room. This is called as control room. Okay, here what is this? Transit mixer. It is called as vehicle which will take this freshly mixed concrete to destination where it will going to place the concrete. Can you see a bigger batching plant? How many cement silos are there? How many aggregates weighing pieces are there? So all these things will go. What is this? Mixer with control room. Okay na? So now here what is this? Another batching plant. Can you see this type of vehicles on the road nowadays? Yes, or no? Freshly mixed concrete is taken inside. So this drum is also continuously rotating. From there, it is going to site. All these are components used in concrete production. What is this? Rotating drum type. This is small drum. This is a transit mixer used to transport the concrete. Okay, na? This is cement silo. Okay, na? Control room. Okay, concrete slab. Okay, like this, there are so many components. Concrete factory. Okay. Whether what is this pumping of the concrete? No, after mixing, what you can do after mixing? What you are doing? Yes or no? Placing of the concrete. No, placing using pump machine. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible
sir.
for everyone?
Yes, sir.
This is next process after mixing, after transportation. This is called as placing of concrete using pump. Okay, na? So this is also one batching plant. Okay, not necessary. What is this? Another batching plant. Sufficient? No, batching plant diagrams are more sufficient for me. This is a bigger batching plant, already explained. Okay, this is another batching plant. Whether it is clear? Transit mixer, yes or no? For everyone,
Yes.
please.
Yes, sir.
Control room, screw belts, like that they are going to take. What is this mixing? Machine mixing or hand mixing?
Real mixing, hand mixing.
Hand mixing. Okay, na? What is the process of hand mixing for less important work? The the surface where you are mixing, no, that should be very, very firm and impermeable, separated from other things. And it should be at least cement paved. Means what? A strong rough surface or a strong smooth surface which is impermeable. So first you spread all the aggregates first, and you put all the cement and you put all the sand. So like that, first dry mixing you are doing, correct or not? First what you are doing? Dry mixing. After the dry mixing, water is sprinkled. Not poured, but actually inside they just take bucket and pour. Okay, that is not a good practice. Sprinkling of water should be done. Okay, na? Hand mixing. What is this? Who is this person? Prajwal, yaru ada?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ ಪರಿಚಯನಾ? Okay. So using what he is mixing the water? Using what he is using the water? What is this? Bucket, whether it is a good practice or bad practice?
Bed, sir.
Already he has poured all the water and simply he is sitting there. Okay, he is no mixing, nothing is going on. So concrete quality is very, very bad. You can see segregation here only. Okay. So this is a tilting type drum mixer. Okay, na? And here the placing of concrete using, this is called as truck mixer. That truck mixer was there, no? Transit mixer. Yes or no? Yes. And this is called as chute. It is called as inclined plate. Okay, na? It's called as inclined plate. From there the concrete is coming. This is called as inclined plate. From the concrete is coming. Okay, this is called as placement of concrete. Okay, na? Yes. What is this? Can anyone tell me? Mixing of concrete or transporting of concrete or placing of concrete? Which process?
Transporting of concrete.
Everyone tell me.
Transporting of concrete.
This is called as the transportation of concrete using wheelbarrows. These are called as wheelbarrows. This is done on horizontal plane. Generally for slab concreting, for column concreting, no. Generally these things are. Problem with that is segregation will definitely takes place. Why? Because it is continuously vibrated, no. Moving here and there, shocks are there. Okay, road is not correct. So during vibration, segregation will definitely takes place. This is called as wheelbarrow. Pan means what? You have seen the pans, no? General pans on the head they will carry. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
General transportation. That is called as transportation. What is this? Can anyone guess what type of transportation of concrete is happening here? This is called as crane.
Crane transport.
Crane, ropeway, bucket. Three components are there. Crane, ropeway, bucket. So in this, generally bigger dams, generally they are going to take. So here bucket is a filled concrete and it is taken to the location. Here the bottom has an opening. From there it can be opened. Concrete can be poured. Yes or no? So here the crane, bucket, ropeway schematic diagram. You can see crane, you can see bucket here, no? At the high-rise building, the bucket is lowered and concrete is done. And the bridge or dam work, so cranes will be constructed first and ropeways and buckets. So these are taken to the location, from there concrete is poured. Do you agree? What is this? This is also crane, bucket, ropeway. But here concrete is not there. What is there?
Rocks.
What is there? Rocks or aggregates. Okay, na? Can you see what type of diagram is this one? Can you tell me what type of transportation of concrete is taking place? Transportation?
Cable transportation.
Cable. Very good. Cable or ropeway. And there is a bucket and there is a crane. Very good. This is another method of transporting the concrete. What is this? This is also crane, bucket, rope. Another diagram. Can you see how that bucket is lowered and bottom side that lid is opened and concrete is pouring? This is a bigger diagram, big bucket. So side by concrete can be opened, side by as well as bottom side. Both way concretes can be opened and position is down. This is another example for crane, ropeway, bucket. So this is called as inclined plane. From there, concrete can be placed. Everyone is following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This transportation of concrete is called as what?
Belt conveyor.
Very good. This is called as belt conveyor. Generally, it is not used, but somewhere the people are using. This is called as belt conveyor transportation. Problem with this is continuous vibration, shocks will be there. Segregation chances are more, and it is open to the sky. Evaporation is also chances. So that is the problem with the belt conveyor. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will come to the theory portion. Now almost everything is done. So this is called as batching. So we have seen volume batching for less important work. Problem with this is bulking of sand, inequalities in measurements. Second is wave batching. We have seen wave batching so many machines. Okay, na? So what is this? What is this?
Volume batching.
Volume batching using a gauge box or volume batching using pharma. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is for less important work. Okay. These are the mix they generally give. Wave batching is generally important. So in wave batching also you have three types: manual, semi-automatic, automatic. We have seen full big automatic. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
this is what semi-automatic, a medium size, and this is very, very small. This is very, very small. Okay. Yes or no? We have seen this type of weigh mixer, correct? Here any mixing is taking place or only weighing is there?
Only weighing.
Only weighing machine. It is called as only weighing machine. In the lot of diagrams we have seen weighing machine with the drum attachment was there, but only here only weighing machine. Okay, na? So this automatic batching plant we have also seen. How the measurement of water is generally done? It is generally done, a big tank is there, on this graduation of scale is there. From there one pipe will be there, on this one meter will be fitted. So how much water is required? That much only water is released. That much only water is released. Okay. So for small work, we can use these things, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Small things we can use. So mixing, we have seen what? Two types. What are the two types? Manju is not there. Manju is not there. Manjunath is there. Yes. What are the two things we have seen?
Yes, sir. Hand
Two
mix,
types of
mix,
hand mixing and machine
hand
mixing.
mixing
Okay,
and mixing.
we have seen the photo, correct? Hand mixing is done for less important work. Yes or no? First dry mix,
Yes, sir.
at the later stage, water you are adding until it will give uniform mix. Until it is giving uniform mix. So we have seen machine mixing. What are the machine mixing types? So there will be what type of mixers? Generally in machine mixing, there may be drum type. There may be drum type. There may be pan type. What is this type?
Drum type.
Very good. In drum type, how many types you are there?
Tilting,
Tilting
non-tilting.
Tilting and non-tilting.
Tilting and reversing. Tilting, non-tilting and reversing. Okay, na? So like that, these things are there. Pan type, drum type. These are all drum type. Pan type means what? This is a pan mixer. I hope you have understood now. Yes or no? Yes, sir. No, sir. Okay. Here
Yes,
one central point, rotating blades will be there like this. I will show the plan. So blades are rotating like this. Blades are rotating. So this will mix the ingredients. While rotation, it will mix the ingredients. This is called as pan mixer. Okay, na? So this is the pan type, smaller works generally. And this is the drum type. You have tilting, non-tilting, reversing. Okay, na? Yes. So generally we have so many types. Tilting, these are the capacity or per hour capacity, 85 cubic meter, 100 cubic meter, 140. These are nothing but capacity. T stands for tilting type. NT stands for what?
Non-tilting.
R stands for?
Reversing.
Very good. R stands for reversing. Very good. Very good. Here it is a non-tilting because the drum is not at all tilting. Only this hopper or feeder is moving up and moving down. Yes or no? Yes. Correct. And this is called as inclined plate, used to discharge the concrete. Used to discharge the concrete when it is completely mixed. First stage, second stage, third stage. First is feeding, second is mixing, third is discharging. Third is discharging. That is happening. Okay, na? Filling of the material, okay, mixing of the material. Last one is discharging. Last one is discharging. What is this? This is the mixing blade inside. This is called as mixing blade. How that pan mixer was there, no, which was there in batching plant, pan mixer. In that, the mixers and these blades will come there. This type of mixers and blade. While rotating fast, concrete is mixed here. What is this? Semi-automatica? Semi-automatic or not? Prajwal,
Yes, sir.
how the
Okay.
it is also a mixer. It is also called as mixer. Okay. So, procedure of mixing I have explained using that diagram. First half aggregates, above that half sand, full cement, above that half sand and full aggregates. And these are all things mixed in drum. And at the time of pouring, water is added with admixture. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Those things are called as intermittent. Continuous mixer means what? We have seen in batching plants, no? Batching plant. Batching plant. What is this type of mixer? Continuous or intermittent, you tell me. Continuously concrete is mixed, correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is called as continuous mixer. Continuous mixer. All other things, that drums and all there, no, those are called as intermittent mixer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This drum, this and all, these are called as intermittent or batch mixer. This batching plant is there, no, that is called as continuous mixer, because continuously concrete is produced. Whether continuous concrete is produced here or batch wise it is produced.
Batch wise.
Very good. It is produced as a batch wise. We are discussing continuous, no? So here, what is the mixing time, standard mixing time? How many revolutions they should give? 2 to 3 minutes time or 16 to 20 revolutions. Revolutions means that rotation of the blade or drum. Rotation of the blade or drum. And time means for how many time it should rotate. 2 to 3 minutes or 20 revolutions. That much time should be there. Okay. So generally mixing is depends upon blades, their arrangement of the blades, pan size, speed of them, revolution speed, everything is affecting the mixing quality. Everything is affecting the mixing quality. Okay. One diagram is there. As the mixing time of concrete increases, strength is, can you tell me? By seeing the graph, as the mixing of concrete, mixing time is increasing, what is happening to the strength?
Increases.
अप टू सर्टन एक्सटेंट है ना. पहले जब आप मिक्सिंग टाइम 2 मिनट से 3 मिनट कर दिया तो उसका स्ट्रेंथ थोड़ा अच्छा आएगा, 4 मिनट कर दिया उसका स्ट्रेंथ अच्छा आएगा, 5 मिनट कर दिया उसका, 1 घंटा कर दिया तो कुछ ज्यादा होता नहीं, उतना ही रहता है, क्योंकि आफ्टर दैट स्ट्रेंथ इज कांस्टेंट. ओके, अप टू सर्टेन टाइम मिक्सिंग टाइम इज generally 1.5 to 2.5 minutes. Nowadays modern mixers use only 30 seconds. That much time only they are requiring. Okay, so that is the mixing. Transporting, what are the materials you generally use? Mortar pan you are using, no? Yes or no? That lady is there, lady or laborers are there, they are taking what? What is that? Can anyone tell me what is this type of transportation of concrete?
Pan transportation.
Using pan. We have seen this wheelbarrow, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Wheelbarrow, that person is taking that one. Yes or no? Third is what?
Yes, sir.
Crane, bucket, rope you have seen. Yes. Truck
Yes, sir.
mixer, belt conveyor you have seen, skip and hoist. We'll just see one by one. Okay. Wheelbarrow का प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
Leads to
Wheelbarrow का
segregation.
प्रॉब्लम, हाँ, it will segregate. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
It will segregate. One second. I am going to that diagram. Huh? What is this?
Wheelbarrow.
What is the?
Wheelbarrow.
It is called as
Wheelbarrow.
wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow, batching mixer, transportation of concrete. So here segregation will takes place. So generally this is done on a level ground. Okay. Otherwise some wooden planks are kept there. Okay. So this is a one. So another type. What is this? Wheelbarrow only, but using what? Using tracks. To avoid what? To avoid or to control what?
Segregation.
To avoid movement or vibrations.
Very good.
In
Very
order to avoid
good.
segregation.
Yes, sir. Very good. Okay, na? This is also wheelbarrow. Placing of the concrete. Okay, na? Yes. Crane, bucket, ropeway. We have seen, no? This diagram. Crane,
Yes, sir.
bucket, ropeway. So it has got help in big project. What is this? This is also crane, bucket. Can you see the opening of the bucket at the bottom? Can you see the opening of the bucket at the bottom place?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Sir.
Okay, na? Okay. So this diagram also we have seen. What is this? Crane, bucket and ropeway. So that they are transporting concrete from one place to another place. What is this? What type of concrete transportation you are seeing here? Pumping of the concrete. Yes or no? This is called as pumping of the concrete using booms. Yes or no? In a required
Yes,
place, they are using. These are called as boom. Okay, na? So generally that bucket capacity is very large. Okay. What is this diagram? What is this diagram? Pouring of the concrete or placing of the concrete. This is called as placing of the concrete using bucket. Okay. Truck mixers. Can you see this truck mixers? Here, rotation of drum is not there. Only transportation. These are called as dumpers or truck mixers. Huge capacity of transportation of concrete. Using this hydraulic, they can easily place the concrete. Main problem with this one is evaporation and segregation due to vibration. To control the evaporation, you are using tarpaulin sheets and you are wetting the outside surface. Yes or no for truck mixer? Yes or no, Baba?
Yes, sir.
And the belt conveyors we have seen, this is generally not used. Okay. What is this? This is called as inclined plate. Wherever the access is not easily available, so that time you can use this type of plates from the deposition of concrete. So for deep footing, deep foundation, gutter works, so there this inclined plate is used for transportation. What is this skip and hoist? You should tell me. Can you see this skip and hoist? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Generally used in all building works. When slab is there, no, सब लोग मालूम है ना, जब घर का slab आता है concrete करने के time, this is used or not? This type of ಮನಿಗ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್, ಅವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಯಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ देखा है कि नहीं देखा है? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Skip and joist. Skip and joist means there is a track mounted in a vertical direction so that concrete can be transported from one level to another level. So this bucket is moving in vertical direction. Okay. So transit mixer. Have you seen this type of vehicles? These are called as transit mixer. From the batching plant, the fresh concrete is collected here. When the distance is very large, 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, normal transportation is not good there, so they use a transit mixer. Inside also continuously rotation is happening, continuously drum is rotating, so that fresh concrete will not set until and unless it is deposited. So that is the advantage of transit mixture. Pumps and pipelines, have you seen using pumps? Yes or no? The pump diagram.
Yes.
We have seen, no?
Yes, sir.
What is this diagram?
Cable transportation.
Cable transportation, cable ropeway transportation. What is this? Truck mixer. Okay, na? Yes or no? What are these? All these things? Is it diagrams are good for everyone? Diagrams.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it more friendly? More friendly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are called as the transit mixers where rotating drums are there, but this is a just dumper or truck mixer. Okay, na? So here what is happening? Continuous mixer is there. I want to show the belt conveyor. This is a belt conveyor. Already we have shown. Okay, this is an inclined plate. Okay. Can you see this one? All inclined plate. How the concrete is placing? Can you see this inclined plate? Can you see this inclined plate? Can you see this two inclined plates? Yes or no? Very good. Very good. Okay, na? So skip and joist. Okay. What is this? You should tell me. This is also a skip and joist only. Here you can see the tracks. These are the movement of the buckets. These are movement of the buckets. Skip and joist. Now is that okay? Now skip and joist clear diagram for everyone. For
Yes, sir.
everyone.
Yes,
Lakshmi
sir.
Manguli, Anushri,
Yes, sir.
Ellaru hedri, Nakshatra, Nandita, Nehal, everyone. This is called as skip and joist. This is called as skip and joist. Okay, na? Okay. Transit mixer. This is called as transit mixer. Its capacity may be 4 to 7. Depends upon distance, depends upon that. Okay. Now, can you see this is a pumping of concrete? This is a cross section of that pump. How that pump will happen? Pump will take place. If you see this diagram, here pumping of that one is taking place. Pumping of the concrete is taking place. Okay, na? For long distance, if pumping is to be done, so you are using machine, pumping machine. So in that pumping machine, this is a typical thing happening. This is a typical thing happening. So there are called as two strokes. Two stroke are there. First, what is happening? First, what is happening? It will rotate in a such a way that this piston will come backward. If this piston is coming backward and this wall is opened, so that concrete is falling from the mixer. So that concrete from here, no, that concrete is mixing here. So that concrete is mixing. This wall is open, so that piston is moved backward. Piston is moved backward. Okay, na? Once that is moved fully, concrete is falling, everything is filling here. Everything is filling, and this lid is closed in this position. This is called as the first stroke or inlet stroke. So this is called as piston movement. In the second position, this will be closed. The feeder location is closed and this outlet pipe is opened. Outlet pipe is opened like this and the piston will move like this. Piston will move like this. What is happening? So the piston is moving in this direction. Concrete is pushed. Concrete is pushed in this pipe. Concrete is pushed in this pipe. Is that okay for everyone? When the concrete is pushed in this pipe, so that concrete is moving in this pipe. Everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
These are called as this one. So there may be pipelines and couplings. Coupling means what? These are the couplings. Couplings ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ join ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಲ್ಲ ಇವು ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? Couplings. These are called as couplings.
Yes.
These are called as couplings. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ bends. These are called as bends, elbow. Okay ना? ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ऐसे लंबे pipes भी रहते हैं. Straight है तो लंबे लंबे pipes भी रहते हैं. Is that okay? Generally, dia of the pipe is 125 mm. Dia of the pipe, generally they use 125. Minimum, it should be 4 times the aggregates. Minimum, it should be 4 times the aggregate size. So, if it is 20 mm aggregate you are using, minimum dia of the pipe should be 80. What will happen if it is more than, if it is less than that size, choking or blocking will start. Choking or blocking will start. Is that okay? So now,
Yes, sir.
okay. Whenever you want to pump the concrete to the next floor, so there might be some vertical pipe. Do you agree or not? There might be some vertical pipe. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You should take a precaution that pump is not nearer to this vertical pipe. At least some horizontal pipes should be there in between. At least some 10-meter pipes should be there in between. Between what and what? Between a concrete pump and a vertical pipeline. Between vertical pipeline. What will happen if this pump is here only next to the vertical pipe? It will not pump. It will not pump. At least some momentum should be there before reaching vertical pipe. Then only pumping will take place. Before operation and after pumping, the pipes couplings should be cleaned thoroughly with water, washed thoroughly and kept using lubricants. Why? What will happen if you don't do washing, cleaning, and if you not apply lubricant? What will happen? The concrete
Might
will
rust or get corroded.
concrete will stuck to the inside pipeline. Later on, it will choke the pipes. It will choke the pipes. It will choke the pumps, and pump will get damaged. Okay, na? Pump will get damaged. So that is why you want to make it easily. So what is the general size? 120 to 160 mm. 120 to 160 mm. So you can have so many bends, couplings, correct or not? So many bends and couplings. Okay. One second. So here you can see well pumpable concrete, badly pumpable concrete. Can you see difference? cement paste or that cement content, in which case it is more?
Welcome.
Very good. So well pumpable concrete has more sand, more cement, more fine material than aggregates. So that concrete is moving as a plug. Why? Sand, that cement will give a lubricating effect for the movement of concrete. Sand, cement, water, all these things will give lubrication effect so that concrete is moved easily. Here what is happening? Concrete is not well pumpable, so it may have a chances of choking or blocking. Can you see this one? So here, cross section of that pumping pipe. So inside concrete is moving in this direction. But nearer to the inner surface, only cement grout, only cement water is there. Here also only cement water is there. Why it is happening? To provide a lubricating effect or a sliding effect so that remaining concrete is moving in this direction, which is having more friction, but cement grout is having less friction. So that is why it is pasted nearer to the surface. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So concrete pumping will depend upon length of the pipe, length of the vertical pipe, number of bends, diameter, length of the flexible hose, changes in the diameter, and slump of the concrete. All these things are important in fixing the concrete. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. What is this next step? What is the next step?
Placing of concrete.
Placing of concrete. So now in this diagram, we have so many cases. What are the so many cases we will see? What is this? How to place a concrete here is different. How to place a concrete in this case, it is different. How to place concrete here. So depending upon the condition, the placement of concrete is changing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Here it
Very
is
good, sir.
very good. Someone said, Yenappa? Yenata? Can anyone tell me what happened? तुम लोग बताओ, इस कॉन्क्रीटिंग करने के टाइम क्या क्या प्रिकॉशन लेना है बिफोर कॉन्क्रीटिंग? ये क्या है? फाउंडेशन है ना? यस और नो? दिस इज फॉर फाउंडेशन. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर? अगर ट्रीज आ रहे हैं, उसका रूट सभी क्लीन करना है ना? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Okay, side of the trenches should be cleaned first. Okay, sides, bottom of the trenches should be very very clean. Sharp edges. Okay, इधर सभी मिट्टी गिट्टी नहीं गिरना है. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಮಣ್ಣು ಅದು ಏನು ಬೀಳ್ತಿರಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಡ್ಜಸ್, साइड्स, बॉटम स्मूथ आगे लेवल इरಬೇಕು. स्मूथ से लेवल होना है. any trees or any roots of the shrubs, if they are there, then it should be removed completely. Third point. Hello, someone is on. उसका कोई किसी का माइक ऑन है? Okay, so first point is sides and bottoms should be level. Okay na, sides and bottoms should be level. Next point is if any roots of the trees or if any roots of the shrubs are there, they should be removed. Third is before concreting, the base should be strong, firm, hard. strong, firm, hard, the base of this area. Fourth is, if it is fully dry, little bit water is sprinkled. If it is fully wet, it is dried first. Are you understanding? अगर पानी बहुत है तो उसको पानी रिमूव करके सूखने के लिए टाइम देना है. अगर बहुत ड्राई है तो थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी उसमें डालना है. ಭಾಳ ಹಸಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕ, ಭಾಳ ಒಣ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, okay, to make it very good to receive the concrete. Next is, if any water is percolating, like gutter से पानी आ रहा है या कोई नाले से पानी आ रहा है, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದನೋ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ತೆಗೆದು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಡಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. इसमें छोटा सा खड्डा खोद के इसको डी वाटर करना है. It should be डी वाटर. Once all these things are ready, you can place concrete. You can place the concrete. So before placing concrete, all these things, one more thing is there. What are these? These are the formwork, no? Formwork boards, no? Correct or not? These are called as what? Formwork, correct? These formwork should be checked for their water tightness. They should be strong, such that it should not bend, they should not go out of the shape. That is also important. Apart from that, the reinforcement bars are there, no? They should be checked before placing of the concrete, whether a proper cover is given, proper binding wires have been put or not. So all these things are checked and later concrete is placed. This is for foundation. Second, the same thing, once everything is correct, the concrete is poured. There is some problem with this one. Can you tell me? We have discussed what are the things. हम लोग डिस्कस किया. इधर अदरंग ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾರ ಅಥವಾ ತಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾರ ಇದನ್ನ? ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೇರ್. ಕಾಜಲ್ ಪವಾರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ? ಹಂಗಂದ್ರ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಿಮ್ ಧ್ವನಿನ ಕೇಳವಲ್ದು, ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಆರಾಮ್ ಕುಂದ್ರಿ, ಚಾಗಿ ಕುಡಿರಿ, ಆರಾಮ್ ಕುಂದ್ರಿ. ನಾ ಹೇಳತ್ತಿದ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಮುರುಗೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ನೀವರ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಮುರುಗೇಶ್ is not there. Nakshatra madam, are you there? Nakshatra madam,
Yes sir.
थोड़ा इसमें बता सकते हैं आप, इसमें करेक्ट पॉइंट्स है क्या, अच्छा पॉइंट्स नहीं है? जो अभी हम लोग इसमें देखा ना, क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, वो ऐसे ही कर रहा है क्या? तुम लोग ही बताओ. प्लेसिंग ऑफ नक्षत्र
Sides are not level.
Very good. You are paying attention. I am very happy that you are answering. Very happy. Second point is, first point is sides are not leveled. Another point is the reinforcement is not in correct position. Correct na? This is bent, no? This is bent. And the concrete is not leveled immediately there. It is deposited at one place. That is also very bad thing. As soon as concrete is falling, no, some people should be there so that leveling should be there. Okay. And where concrete is falling, outside the formwork, correct or not, Nakshatra madam?
Yes sir.
That is very wrong practice. Okay na? Concrete is falling outside that one. Here reinforcement is not at all correct. Okay, everything is wrongly practiced. They could have taken another inclined plate, correct or not, Nakshatra madam? They could have taken another inclined plate like this, so that concrete can be placed here. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Do you agree with this point, everyone?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
But the surface is not level, no sir.
Sir, which surface is not leveled? Bottom surface, ಯಾವ್ದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ?
That's the surface sir. Madam,
ಮ್ಯಾಗಿಂದ ಅದ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ತಪ್ಪೈತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಈ ಫೋಟೋ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಇದು तप ना निम्गे अंडरस्टैंड आगली, ये गलत है करके मैं इसको आपको लगाया, इसमें बहुत सारे मिस्टेक्स है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए करके मैं आपको समझा रहा हूँ. ये फार्मर छोड़ के बाहर गिर रहा है, करेक्ट बैठा नहीं है, ऐसे कुछ भी करके छोड़ रहा है. हाँ, नाउ दिस इज फॉर स्मॉल ट्रेंच. स्मॉल ट्रेंच, कैन यू टेल मी whether the roots of trees are there, yes or no here? These things should be there or not?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
They should
Ah,
be removed.
removed, all the things should be removed. No proper binding of bars are there. Okay, this is used in small thing. Okay, small thing. So everything should be leveled, trimmed, cut, proper watering, everything only, then only placing of concrete. Okay, within the earth mold, foundation of concrete for wall or column. Same things it should be done. Okay, अगर वो रोड है या फिर स्लैब है, कैसे करना है? रोड है, स्लैब है, तो क्या करना है? ये रोड है ना, ये यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
बड़ा रोड है, स्लैब है. So what are the precautions should be done here? You tell me. The process is placing of concrete now. The process is placing of concrete. What are the things they are doing? As soon as concrete is placed here, people are there to level that up. Yes or no? And wherever
Yes.
reinforcement bars are there, they should be leveled. And try to understand that beneath this concrete there is a soil, correct or not? Beneath this there is a soil. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, if soil is fully dry, it will absorb moisture with this concrete, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If soil is full dry, it will absorb moisture with this one. To avoid that problem, you should put one thin plastic sheet. Generally, in big road projects, they generally do. What they do, before placing the concrete, thin plastic sheet they are going to put, and after that, their concrete is poured to avoid loss of moisture from the concrete to the ground. And as soon as concrete is leveled, finishing people will come, vibrate it, level it. Yes or no? Yes. This is an also a road surface. Bigger area is there. So as soon as the concrete is poured, what people they are doing? What they are doing? Leveling. And you should understand that formwork should be very, very strong here. Side formwork should be very, very strong. And level maintaining is very important here. If it is a road, if it is not properly leveled, what will happen?
Undulations.
Undulation, and the vehicle will give jerks. Suppose if you are doing a concrete in mass concrete in a dam like this, so many things will come in picture. So it is done in layer by layer. Try to understand. If it is a concrete wall for a dam, all the concrete is poured at one stretch or some layers will be poured? Tell me.
Layers, sir.
First some 30-meter concrete layer is poured, leveled, compacted, and above that again 30 meter, again 30 centimeter. So in bigger works, layer by layer concreting is done, and sufficient bonding is provided by making that surface as rough as possible, by crushing, by brooming. So all those things will give rough surface, so that next layer of concrete is have a strong bond. So layer by layer in dam type of work. Can you see? This is a bigger dam. Layer by layer construction is going on. Can you see what type of dam? Can you see stage wise construction they are doing? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
First
sir.
this stage, after that next stage, after that third stage. Like that, here you can see stage by stage construction. Stage by stage construction. Can you see the stages here clearly? Can you see the stages?
yes.
First stage, second stage, third stage. Like this, layer by layer, stage by stage construction is done. What is this? Found big pier for bridges. Big pier or piers for bridge. How to concrete this one? Very, very important. Formwork should be very, very strong. That is first फॉर्मवर्क शुड बी वाटर टाइट. इसमें ट्री रूट्स, ट्री वगैरह वो सब नहीं आएगा. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज फॉर्मवर्क डिजाइन, फॉर्मवर्क कैपेबिलिटी, इट्स स्ट्रेंथ. That is the important point in big masonry, big piers. For see the reinforcement here, that much strong it is, that much strong. And compaction using needle vibrator should be done, because what will happen, concrete will go some places and will not go in another places. So to have uniform distribution or placing of concrete, pump is used. What is used here? Concrete pump is used. Concrete pump is used. Okay na? So like that you are going to use that one. Now what is this? Normal formwork, no? What is this? Normal formwork, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Normal formwork for beam, for column. How to do? Simple. All the things will be simple. Side formworks, bottom formworks should be placed in position very strong. Proper support, proper spacers. These are called as spacers. Spacers should be provided to give proper width. Okay na? Next, support is there. Before application of formwork, thin lubrication is applied to have a smooth finish, to avoid sticking of concrete. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Once everything is there, reinforcement is checked and concrete is placed. Okay, what is this concreting? This is called as column concrete. Problem with this is he is pouring from the height, so there is a chance of what? If concrete is poured from a greater height, like in columns,
Segregation.
very good, segregation will takes place. Yes or no? So this is a column concrete. What is this? Pump concrete, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is called as a pumping of the concrete, the pump outlet. This is called as a rubber hose and nozzle. Okay, so this hose will be taken to all location, not in only one location. So this hose is taken to all location, so that concrete is poured in all the placing. What is this? This is using what? Pump, no? This is using pumping. Okay, this is a formwork for beam. Can you see this diagram? Formwork and placing of concrete. Formwork and placing of concrete for plinth beam. What type of beam this is? This is plinth beam. And what is this? What is this? Prajwal Bagalkoti, what is this?
Internal walls, sir.
This is internal walls, correct. What are these? There is some concrete is there, no? These are called as lintels. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Lintels will be provided beneath the window, above the window, beneath the door, above the door. Everywhere, if you want to do, you are going to do. What is this big structure? Big formworks. Can you see the structure of formwork here? So properly bonded. So before concreting of this formwork, side formwork, bottom formwork, support to formwork, that is also important. Yes or no? Yes or no,
Yes.
Baba?
Yes.
Support to formwork, that is also important. Water tightness is maintained. Proper spacing of this supports is also important. Then only concrete is placed. And this is using pumping of the concrete. So this is, I was talking about rubber hose. This is called as rubber hose. Okay, so everything is clear now. The last
Yes,
part of concrete in placing. What type of concreting is done here?
Underwater
Underwater
placement.
Underwater placement.
Underwater concreting. Okay, na? Suppose you want to do the foundation for bridge. Foundation for bridge. What you are doing? You are doing the concreting using Trimy pipes. So here water is there. Here water is there. So you are taking these pipes to where this hard surface is there. Where this hard surface is there, there you are taking that pipe. Okay, na? Trimy pipe. And sidewise you are giving shuttering. Sidewise you are giving water shuttering. Shuttering, na? Inside there will be water. Slowly concrete pipe at the bottom is opened. Slowly that pipe is taken to the top. Slowly that pipe is taken to the top. So what is that? What is happening? Concrete is getting filled inside the former. Concrete is getting filled inside the former. So concrete is more with cement here because washing of the cement is generally taking place. To avoid that one, they are doing. Can you see the top structure of Trimy pipes here? Can you see in this diagram? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
These are called as the Trimy pipes which are going inside the water. So from here concrete is placed here. So here concrete is poured. So here no. So that concrete is coming here. Concrete is coming. So at the bottom of that one, so slowly pipe is raised, concrete is taken. Concrete is taken. But sidewise formwork should be present. Sidewise formwork should be set. Can you see this diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see this diagram? What he is doing? What is happening here? Underwater concrete, na?
concreting.
Underwater concreting. Can you see what are these? What are those?
Pumping of concrete.
No. What I am marking, no. What are those? Small.
Aggregates.
Aggregates, is there? What are these? What are these?
Fishes, sir.
फिश है वो नेक्स्ट रात को खाने के लिए बांगड़ा सुरमा फ्राई बना के खाने के लिए वो ओके ओके फिश है वो मैं उसके लिए ऐसे दिखा रहा हूँ अग्रीगेट्स कौन बोला वो अग्रीगेट्स करके हु टोल्ड
Sir, one से तब बिच्छितल.
हु टोल्ड दैट इज अग्रीगेट्स बाल ओदाकत्ता ना बहुत पढ़ रहे यार तुम उतना मत पढ़ो यार फिश है वो ठीक है दिस इज अंडर वाटर कॉन्क्रीटिंग here the Trimy pipe is slowly opened so concrete is getting poured okay this is the top of that Trimy pipe so concrete is pouring here concrete is pouring so at the bottom that is there okay another cross section Trimy pipe underwater concreting using Trimy pipe concrete is poured these are the coupling pipes so here slowly concrete is poured yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Everyone has understood all the things today.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abu Bakar, Akash, Akshata, Anushri.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Gayatri, Guru Prasad, Harish, Irshad, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತ
Full interesting, sir.
ಫುಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕಾಜಲ್ ಪವಾರ್ ಕೆಂಪಣ್ಣ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
Fine, sir.
ಫೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ನಿದ್ಗಣ ಹೇಳಬೇಡ ಮರ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ ಕೆಂಪಣ್ಣ
Sir.
ನಿದ್ದಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಭಾರಿ ಐತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ನಿದ್ದಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪರ ಓಕೆ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಮುರುಗೇಶ್
यस सर चले क्लास चले सर
नक्षत्रा मैडम ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ इंटरेस्ट आया क्या थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट
हाँ सर.
नंदिता नेहल प्रज्वल
Yes, sir.
इंटरेस्ट आया
हाँ सर इंटरेस्ट.
Yes, sir.
श्रुति मैडम तो आप ही बताओ
Yes, sir. It was interesting.
interesting understood but because you are saying so many points okay
Okay, sir.
Okay, please, all of you give attendance by writing USNN name. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Take care. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಪ್ಪ.
Yes, sir.
Bye bye. Any other things you want to say?
No, sir. Nothing.
No, sir. Okay. So, if nothing is there, we can close the session. We can leave the meeting. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye, sir.
Bye 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 bye. Okay.